Hello guys. So I have this test case. We all have this test case called Todolist, and on the first screen we can see the third medium one, which index number is 23292. So what I did is, this is my obstacle. I have opened the screen one URL. Then on the table I have verified everything which is necessary on the screen one, like if the image is visible on the link, if it is enabled, and the obstacle list, it's in a text if it is visible, and then everything, and then if it is a screen that I actually want or not, and then on the table I have constrained to 23292. And if you are seeing this, I have not given any cell name since it doesn't have any proper cell name. And every Tosca guy knows what will happen if I give this hash. And then I'm going to click on the cell action on the same parallel line. And then I have used this red stripe previous obstacle, not a RTB. And then I have used everything, like if the image is visible and the link is enabled and everything, and I have verified if it is my exact test case or not, to do list. And then the time actually have changed to this, and I was actually a good loop guy. Now this time I want to use the repetitions. This is my first time using repetitions. So repetitions, when do you use? I will explain you. I will make it easier for you guys. So on what actually repetition depends. So repetition depends if some task, if we want to do particular number of times, then the repetitions actually coexist with the number of times the task needs to be repeated. So how many times do I need to repeat the task here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 1. 6 times I need to repeat the task, which means I have to use the repetitions for 6 times. So what I did is, again, this is my to-do list. The entire task related controls. So I have scan, generic GUI, and table, and then container. After verify everything on this screen, on exact this my obstacle, what I did is I took the row count here. This is the only thing I have done in this test step. After the row count, I actually created a buffer which name is start with, and its value is 1. And then I have used repetitions. See, these are my repetitions where I have used. So what I did is a total rows. I have taken total rows, which actually count to 7. If I execute it, it will count to 7 rows. But the task that I need to repeat totally is for 6 times. So what I did is every time when I repeat this my test case, I'm actually going to subtract 1 into my total number of rows, so that it will go to next row and it will go to next row until it is 0, so that it would not repeat again. And then what I did is, in ID start with, so start with its value is 1, right? I'm going to constrain to 1. And then on task I am going to drag and drop this to onto this completed tasks. See, that's what I'm gonna do. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this onto the completed tasks. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do? What I'm going to do is, mm, why is this here actually? What's the purpose of this test step? Okay, I don't know. Okay, so start with. So I'm going to add again one to the start with the buffer name, so that its value going to be changed to 2, numerical number 2. So that what it's going to do again, it's going to, okay, I need to keep this out of, okay, yes, actually this is my repetitions, yes. So 2, now this time it's going to constrain to id 2 here, see, constrain to number 2, where are you, number 2. It's going to contain the id number 2 and then drag that and drop into the completed task. Okay, good, till now we are good. So the only thing that's actually backing me from doing this successfully is I'm actually not able to stop this count start with the 7. So somehow my test case is going to get successfully executed. The only thing that I need to worry is the test case is going to fail because of this buffers, and I can use the evaluation tool if it is for loops, but I actually want to use these repetitions. In these days, a lot of interviewers saying that using loops are not actually best practice. It's, why is that? Actually, in this world, everything has a purpose, and actually, there should be some use of everything that we have on this world. So, making use when we have nothing to do some task is actually best thing. So let me just execute this and show you what we are actually going to do here. Before that, synchronization going to stop my test case. But I'm guarantee you, I'm guarantee, I'm actually I can guarantee you that our test case is going to execute. And if you any of you guys wants the subset, please you can ask me in the comment section. Yeah, till now nobody has asked. Let's do this. Before that, yeah. So on the table screen one, I'm going to click on to-do list action, and then it begins from here. It's going to get that thing 1 onto the table, and then 2. Uh, okay. Now the synchronization going to start here, but my test case going to get executed. Come on, please do this. Whatever. Okay, I think I need to stop my counting. Come on, execute this test step, man. But somehow job is done, but the only thing is with repetition 7. I don't know how to stop this. It's already too late. Let me just pause this.